Alright guys, I'm up at the Epping Speedway in Epping, New Hampshire. Gonna go out onto the drag strip. I'm gonna turn off my advanced track. Tells me that you can't use one pedal driving in that situation. I'm gonna go into the menu here as well. Settings, driver assistance, and I've got auto hold turned off as well. Let's see how we do on this first run. I'm at 90% state of charge. I'm currently in unbridled. So it's going to be me versus a Ford Explorer. Be interested to see how this goes. I'm going to go full launch. I'm going to put my foot on the brake, and I'm going to put my other foot on the accelerator. And then when it goes green, I'm just going to launch. And we'll see how we do. Alright, so I came off the brake late. Take a look at our slip. Excuse me for the raspy voice. Take a look at my strip and see how we did. Yeah, so you can see not a great run that first one. Still relatively new to this, but my reaction time was way off. And you can see top speed of 91.91. I got a 14.54 on that one. We'll go again. Okay, it looks like our next one might be against a Dodge. Alright, well, my reaction time was better on that second one. Still came out to 14.5 on this second run. Again, that was just a full launch. Brake down, accelerator down. I was on the left this time. It was a Jeep, actually not a Dodge that beat me. Real reason I'm here. Richie Rebuilds and their Rivian just showed up. The modern day gun rack. Alright, we're going up for run number 3 here. I'm going to be up on the left again. I'm at 87% state of charge. I'm burning about 1% each run, it seems. Not horrible. This time I'm going to have the auto hold on. And rather than hold the brake and the accelerator, I'm gonna just try to punch the accelerator and see if I get a better or worse reaction time. Going up against this guy right here, a Volvo with Ferrari tags on it, so that'll be interesting. Well, this Volvo S60, definitely the closest one I've had so far. Let's see what we get on the ticket. Alright, so the reaction time was a little bit slower this time around with the just punch the accelerator. Run number 4 coming up. Got the auto hold off again. I'm gonna try to just do the old brake drop. Alright, we got the Rich Rebuilds guys with their new Rivian versus the Tesla Time News guys with their Model X. If I remember correctly, Steven from Rich Rebuilds is in Sparky, the Model X, and we've got the Tesla Time News kid Jesse in the Rivian. I think they got to take it a little easy, but we'll see what this looks like. against the Tesla Plaid. Let's see what they do. Looks like I might be going against just a regular old Chevy, so I might actually have a chance. We'll see how it goes. So once I got under 80% state of charge, my times have constantly been going down. This last run was like a 14.7, so I was never able to get under 14.5. Temperature's cold. It started at like 53, it's now 43.